Good morning, students. So today, this is the last part of the area its boundary. Some of the word problems are there, and I think on Wednesday, Devashish sir will give the introduction of the chapter How Big, How Heavy. That is your volume. So from Wednesday, we will start a new chapter. That is the volume. Okay, so today, this one is the last part. Some word problems are there. So let's start. So first one is, as you can see, which playground is bigger? The one measuring 120 meter length and 52 meter breadth, or the one measuring 112 meter length and 63 meter in breadth. That means there are two playgrounds. You have to find out which one is bigger. Now, in case of bigger, what we'll find out? Perimeter or area? That is the main thing. So remember, bigger means bigger in terms of area. That means in this case, you have to find out the area. So let's see what is the solution. So area of first playground, it is 120 into 52 meters square because it is given 120 and 52 length and breadth. So it is coming 6240 meters square. And area of second playground, it is 112 into 63 meters square. That is coming 7056 meters square. So obviously, which one is bigger? Your second playground is bigger. So answer is therefore second playground is bigger. So bigger means in terms of area. Next one. Sweetie runs around a square field of side 50 meter. Soham runs around a rectangular field of length 45 meter and breadth 55 meter. So who runs more? Now in this case, there are one square field of side 50 meter, another is a rectangular field of length 45 meter and breadth 55 meter. So Sweetie is running around a square field and Soham is running around a rectangular field. So who runs more? Now listen, in this case, we have to find the perimeter. Now see, running, walking, jogging, if these terms are there, fencing, if these terms are there, you have to find the perimeter. Again, I am telling, running, walking around the field, running around the field, then jogging around the field or fencing. If these terms are there, you have to find the perimeter. Remember this. So here, running is given. Both Sweetie and Soham, they are running. So who runs more? That means here in this case, you have to find out the perimeter. So let's see. So what is the solution? So first, perimeter of square field. We know that perimeter is 4 into side, so 50 into 4, 200 meter. And perimeter of a rectangular field, we know that 2 into length plus breadth, so 2 into 45 plus 55, it is again coming 200 meter. Achha, one thing, this one will be meter, okay? So I have written centimeter, make it meter. 1 minute. This will be meter. Okay, so you see now, this is also 200 meter, this is also 200 meter. So our question is, who runs more? So answer will be both covered same distance. Because Sweetie is also running 200 meter and Soham is also running 200 meter. So both covered the same distance. This is the answer. Now again, I am telling, running, walking, jogging, fencing means you have to find the perimeter. Question number 3. So one side of a square plot is 300 meter. So find the area. This is the first part. And second part is also find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 2 per meter square. So there are two parts. First is the area and then the cost of leveling. Now suppose, what you will do? You will find out the area or you will find out the perimeter? The main question. Now see, here in the question already it is given find the area. But suppose this one is not given. So how you will come to know that whether you have to find out the area then multiply 2 or you have to find out the perimeter then multiply 2? Now see, there is one trick to understand. Now what is the trick? You will look here. Rupees 2 per, you see here it is given meter square. Rupees 2 per meter square, and we know that meter square is the unit of area. That means in this case you have to find out the area and multiply 2. Again I am telling, you look here, rupees 2 or whatever is given rupees per meter square. In this case it is meter square, and meter square means you have to find out the area. That means here first you have to find out the area then multiply 2. In the question it is already given here, find the area, but if it is not given then this is the trick, how you will understand. So let's start. Area is side into side, so 300 into 300 meters square, so it is coming 90,000 meters square. Now the cost of leveling will be rupees 2 into 90,000, that is your 1,80,000 rupees. You have to find multiply the area with the cost. Okay, so again I am telling how you will find out whether you will find out the area or perimeter by seeing this one. Here it is given per meter square. That means you have to find out the area then multiply 2. Next one. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular garden of length 50 meter and breadth 30 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So now here rectangular garden is given of length 50 meter and breadth 30 meter, and you have to fence it. So what is the cost? Now here again whether you will find out the area and perimeter. Now here you see there are two ways. The first way is, you see here rupees 20 per meter is given. That means here it is not given meter square, only meter is given. So here meter means you have to find out the perimeter. So this one is the first trick. How to know? Here in the previous question you can see meter square was given. Here it is given rupees 20 per meter, only per meter. That means you have to find out the perimeter and then multiply 20. You will get the cost. Or another thing is there, the word fencing. I told you walking, jogging, running, fencing means you have to find out the perimeter. So there are two ways to figure out what we will find out. First one is fencing. Fencing means you have to find the perimeter, and here also you see rupees 20 per meter. That means here you have to find out the perimeter, not area. So what is the solution? Length 50 meter, breadth 30 meter. So perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, so it is coming 160 meter. So perimeter of the rectangular garden, it's coming 160 meter. Now the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing will be rupees 160 into 20. Your answer will come rupees 3200. Okay, simple. So from fencing, that is the you have to find the perimeter, or here rupees 20 per meter. Since meter is there, you have to find out the perimeter, not area. 5 number. It is a reasoning. If BEGK is related to ADFJ, then PSVY is related to dash. What are the options? These A, B, C and D is the option. Now I have already given tick mark in D, but how it is coming? Let's do it. Now here it is written BEGK. BEGK is written as ADFJ. Now you have to see how these letters are coming. B, then A, E, D, G, F, K, J. Now see, these are the previous letter. Previous letter of B is A. Previous letter of E is D. Previous letter of G is F. And previous letter of K is J. That means these are the previous letters. ADFJ. The same way you have to write down the previous letter here also. P. So previous letter is O, because O then P comes. So previous of P is O. S, previous is R. V, previous letter is U, and Y, previous letter is X. So your answer is ORUX, which is the option number D. Okay, so hope all the solutions are clear to you. And after this, some questions are there. So as you can see, these are the questions. So you can pause the video and you can write down. Okay. And in the next page also there are some of the questions. So these are the questions. You can write down and solve it and send to me. Okay. So today up to this much. Thank you.